Thought I'd do a quick video here in my tool bag. These are my most essential wood construction building tools. So a lot of these tools are secondhand. I got here in Japan, and some chisels. This is a copper hammer that is very important for when you have to adjust this plane, this Japanese plane. So to adjust it, you have to hammer out this blade, and to do that you have to tap it. But if you use a metal steel hammer on the steel blade, it's not good. And this fucker is really sharp, so I got it covered with a piece of cardboard. Japanese planes you pull to smooth out the surface. So that's the reason for a copper hammer. Copper hammers, when you're hammering, you want to really use a wood hammer is best when you're chiseling things, but you can also use copper. All these chisels have been handmade by a Japanese blacksmith from way back in the day. These are very old tools. Of course, I've been taking care of them, cleaning them up, sharpening them. They're sharp as fuck too. I could shave my beard with one of these things. Handles are just badass oak. Japanese made steel here. The Japanese make some damn good steel tools. Whether that be knives, saws, what have you. Their tools are pretty good, pretty awesome. Here's a little blade for carving up some fine details. It's got a little curve on it. Doing some very nice detail work. Here's a good one here. I love this. This is one of my go-to chisels here. It has a badass stamp on it too, which I don't think this camera's gonna be able to pick up, but it's really handmade badass chisel right here. I love this one. This is the one I use the most. Super sharp. I could slice the fuck out of my finger with skin with this blade here. Now here is one that is I haven't cleaned up yet. So when I got them all, a lot of them were gifted to me, and people didn't need them anymore and stuff, and then bought a few of them. But a lot of them were, in this condition when I first got them. So I sharpened them all up and polished them, cleaned all that rust and shit off of them. Treated the wood with the beeswax mixture, linseed oil. Now here's one of my grandfather's old chisels. This was made in Scotland. Also some really high quality steel, Glasgow. Here's another specialty chisel. A little bit of a curved blade. Here's also a specialty chisel. this has also a badass stamp on it. Whoever made this had a good signature. Look how flat that is. So yeah, it's a nice little dude here. What else we got in here? I got my Scriber. Yeah, another little chisel, kind of a specialty chisel here. Also one, this is for notching deep notches at this width. Got a little sharpening stone. Yeah, another one of my grandfather's old Scottish chisels. Got a wet pencil. This is oil for these blades. Keep them polished up and stuff. Oh, here's another chisel here. It's got a little chip in there, but not in the blade. I've looked at all these blades under the microscope and they're all fucking really good. I mean, a few of them that I got, the blades are a little bit chipped, but the rest of the chisel's in bad condition. You know, badass condition. It's perfectly straight. You know, it's just a really good chisel. None of them that I'm showing here, all of them have microscopic chisels or blades that are just perfect. But I got a few down in the shop, my workshop, that are a little bit chipped. Here's just a little blacksmith spoon that I made a while back. So this is my little collection of woodworking tools, and they're all really high quality antique vintage tools that were made in Japan by Japanese steel makers, blacksmiths, way back in the day.